guys, welcome back. So I am here to do some Halloween nails for you guys, and this is going to be the first set of 2024 Halloween nails. So I'm starting with this black polish, and I'm going to be adding 2 coats on 3 of my nails. Okay, so now for my fourth nail, I'm going to be using this red glitter polish here. I'm almost out of it, so I decided to add it. And then I'm going to be topping it off with another glittery polish with a different red. It goes perfect, so I'm adding 2 coats of this one. And this is how it looks, so pretty and glittery. Now for my last nail, I'm going in with a different color red. It's so pretty. And I'm doing 2 coats of this one. Now I'm going to be creating my scream, and I'm using this black gel polish. Then I'm going to be adding the sticker that I made on my Cricut. So I went in with this silver vinyl here. It's so pretty and glittery. And I'm just going to cut one of the faces. Okay, and I'm going to be adding it to the nail. I'm going to be pressing down, making sure that it's stuck in there. That way I have no lifting. And I'm going to go ahead and go back with that black gel polish, and I'm going to be adding more into my screen. Okay, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones to this nail. Okay, so for this nail, I'm writing, what's your favorite scary movie? You can't tell on the camera for some reason, but in person you can see it. So I went ahead and did it with this red here, and then I'm gonna go over the letters with some glitter red because I do want them to stand out. Okay, and for my pinky nail, I decided to just do rhinestones. And for this, now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones to the bottom. Alright guys, so this is how the nail set turned out. So pretty. And this is how they look on. I love these nails. I think I'm gonna wear these for the actual Halloween day. They're so pretty and blingy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.